Hello guys, I'm back with Renault Megane. This time I will just replace the battery, then when winter is outside, some first snow, and then you decide to replace the battery. Of course you want to do it before the winter, so let's do it. First thing, I think there are so many batteries out, so you're probably worrying which battery to buy, so here are some quick measurements for you. 27.5 centimeters and it's about 17 centimeters down below too, so basically the battery will just hold by this side, but don't worry too much. And then here's the battery by itself. Now you see there's some space, so probably you can even get a little bit bigger to that side, but it depends if you want really. And if we speak about amps, I bought 74 amp hours 12 volts, so that's what I did. And what else? Well, you need like 10 millimeters, little like wrench or a little socket, whatever else just goes over here and there. And then you will need as well 14 mils socket or screwdriver else, which you will actually open this bolt, and this is just for the close, putting this in place. I will probably just start with plus. You obviously cannot get electrocuted by replacing batteries, so don't worry about power. However, do not shorten anything, so make sure you don't touch the red with the black wires when they kinda attached to the battery. So just open this bolt. I suggest you to open it more, so pop down pretty much easier. Don't worry about that one, just try to a little bit wiggle it, and if it comes up then it's alright. So just put it somewhere so it doesn't accidentally connect back. So let's go for this side. You see something's leaking here, and hope, and this bolt actually doesn't want to come off, so you can use some sort of pliers or whatever else you have here and there. If for some reason you need more space, you can always open this 10 mils, and then just don't forget to put it back after you finish with this. Well, you're not strong enough with your pliers, I'll just put 10 mils here and try to open it with power drill. You see it just opened, so probably you will not have such problem as I did, but more or less one way. By the way, here under is some sort of fuses, so for example, if both of your running LEDs just suddenly doesn't work, you can actually open this box and there is many fuses, so kind of hard to get there. But if you have pliers with some sort of very thin and long end, you can actually get there in. So probably want to do some more opening, a bit of hitting here. Oh, woo. Okay, and just put this somewhere aside. Don't forget, probably you can already a little bit screw this home, so you don't forget about this one. Easy to forget something and then you're worrying. Just my suggestion, a little bit put this on top so you don't forget about it. Just go down here to 14 mils and open this. You can put this somewhere safe so you don't lose it. And take out this little piece. Later on you will have to just install it back on. So then you can try to move the battery by itself. And as you see, just make sure that the wires doesn't fall over. Comes out pretty easy. And this is what is under there. Not much here, as you see. Some dirt and whatever else. So the battery by itself, well, I used to have 74 amp hours too, and this is a little bit more, 750 amps. This is 6 80. We'll see how that will work. If you want, you can actually just take this cover and put it on your new battery too. So if you wonder how this was, well, there was a long side is to the right of you, so, and you see this little bump here, so this goes inward and this is going to upward, and will lock in place the battery by itself. Just drop it like that, and when you see the hole there, you can actually close this one up, so you can just inspect if it's locking the battery itself, and you see it kinda is, so it's alright. So just take your bolt and close this up, or you can just drop the bolt there. I hope it just falls in right place. Mine almost dropped in. That comes with experience. And when it is there, just take your socket, screwdriver, whatever else you have, and just lock this in place. Don't need to over tighten too much, but you want that your battery flies out, so just tighten like that. You can actually tighten even more, as you see, but this is plastic, so you can actually damage it pretty easy, so don't over tighten. Just check it if it moves. If it's stable there, well, why to worry much more. Next, I will just take a knife, open the plus and minus, and take out this bad boy and install back. If you have sandpaper, I suggest you to clean this up. I will not show you, but just everywhere you can. Next is, well, you can use the old pliers and just like a little bit squish this one together. Won't need that much grip, just a little bit. Rapidly moving on. Well, let's put, when you clean this one back here, make sure it goes all the way down. If it doesn't, you can use a little bit of hammer here and there. That's good. When you're done like this, put this one here back. Make sure it's tight enough. So mine looks pretty good. Even to that, I can actually even, you see, close it even more, but not needed. Then I'll go with this wiring. To be honest, doesn't matter if you put it here or there, because they're all the same. Just close like that. And video is getting long, you know. I'll just use powered. So, have to watch. If you want, you can just check it by, and if it's tight enough. And then you can go here with the plus. You see, this looks much cleaner. So after you've done little cleaning here there, just put this one here. Probably little sparks will be there, but that's alright. Not in my case, that's weird. As well, make sure you put it really nicely on top. Sometimes you even don't need hammer, just some pressure and moving like this back and forth. It seems alright. Then just tighten this down to try to move it. You see, kind of nice there. So put these wires back here as they were. Next, just try if the car works. If it starts and doesn't show any errors. I haven't run this car for quite some time. And that's nice. Everything works alright, no errors, so that's how you replace your battery. Thanks for watching and goodbye.